Alright guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to set up a Moralis server that talks to your Ganache local blockchain. Because you know that Moralis you can use to get all history about all transactions, about all users that you have in your dApp. And for testing, of course, it's good if you can use your own local blockchain to develop your dApp. And it's very, very easy to do with Moralis. So the first thing you have to do is to connect your Ganache to your MetaMask, which we have done in a separate video. But you should have Ganache local as a network, and you should have some ETH in your MetaMask. So if you've come this far and you've connected your own local Ganache to your MetaMask, then this is relevant for you. Then in Moralis, you can add a new server. And this server that you add will be connected to your Ganache. So just write the name of it. So let's just write Ganache demo, region, select some region, select network, and here's where you have dev chain Ganache, you add instance. So now that the server is up, and by the way, this can take a few minutes, so please be patient. But when it's up, go to view details, and then go to Ganache proxy server, and here you see that right now we're disconnected because Moralis server that we just created has no connection to this blockchain. So for example, when we have new transactions happening on this local blockchain, Moralis server will not get them and it will not be able to show it to the developers and to the apps. So we need to connect. The first thing we have to do is to download a utility called FRP. And FRP is basically a small network utility that allows you to feed data from your local machine into a remote server. So in this case, you would be feeding data from your Ganache local blockchain into Moralis. So that's very, very important. And it's important that you read and you understand what it is so you can actually use it. But I will show you how to use it. It's very, very easy. Basically, you just download one of the packages here depending on your operating system. I downloaded this one for Windows. And when you are finished downloading, you will see something like this. And what you have to do now is to edit this frpc.ini file. You see it right here. And please, let me make it bigger. Don't confuse frpc.ini with frps.ini, because this is a completely different thing. Don't touch this. This you don't touch. You touch this, frpc.ini. So what do? You go and you paste this. This will be a bit different for you because the token will be different, the server address will be different, but you just copy this and you paste it. And by the way, of course, you go here, you open with, and then Notepad, you open with some kind of, editor, and then you paste this, you save it in your, you save it in that file, and then you're finished here. So you just enter this into frpc.ini and save. And then you open up something like PowerShell or command line. I use PowerShell on Windows. And you copy the path to where this is. You copy the path. You write cd and then, so cd, then blank space, quotes, the path, quote again. So you click enter and you actually get into that path. And then you just copy this one. So I know it says Linux, but when you use PowerShell on Windows, it is kind of like Linux. So if you are using Windows and you use PowerShell, copy this thing that says Linux. And yeah, PowerShell is my favorite. It's on all computers, Windows computers, so it works for everyone. So you can just open PowerShell. So step number 1, cd, and then in quotation mark whatever your path is, and then frpc and c or frpc.ini, and as you can see, it says, what does it say? Start proxy success. And if you go back to Moralis and you refresh and you go to view details, you see it is connected. So guys, good work. Now, when you make transactions here in this blockchain, when you use MetaMask here with Ganache local, and you do transactions, now Moralis will be picking up everything. So that's very, very good. Great success, as you say in Kazakhstan. Not really. Anyway, guys, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.